So I'm here now. I came back from the fresh chicken farm and I got me some fresh chicken. As you can see, there's my fresh chicken, cut up, fresh chicken. I got the breast part cut up in a lot. Only up like the 2 legs and the other piece there just in case somebody want a piece, because the breast is mine. Cut them up so it's clean and it's in the pot. I rinse it off, very clean. See, it's fresh chicken. I wanted you to see more, but to the camera is, see, fresh chicken. Can you see it? Yeah, fresh chicken. So I'm about to cut up some scallion, some onion, some scallion, some hot pepper, some sweet pepper, some thyme, and I like a bit of spice. And of course, as you see, I got me some sea salt. All right, and I got me some Grace Jamaican curry. I'm about to make me some curry chicken. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut up the onion, put the oil on the fire, let it get hot. Cut up the onion, rinse off my hand because I'm touching the phone. These are my food. Even though my food. You gotta be really, really small. So I'm gonna put up the onion because it's gonna cook anyway. I cut up the onion and I'm gonna put the onion onto the chicken. Got the scallion. I want it very seasoned, so there's a whole bunch of scallion this time. Put up the scallion. Scallion. And the scallion goes into the chicken. Got some fresh thyme, Jamaican thyme. Rub the thyme up like this. Like you're washing clothes over the pot. Just rub it up like that. You don't need to cut it, you can just rub it like that. Alright, all of that is in there. Give me some sweet pepper. Cut up some sweet pepper. Cut them any size you like. Big, small. I like them small, I like them too big. Because I don't want these big doses, pieces of red pepper. I want it to be a little bit smaller. And not too tiny, but you know, just enough. Just enough. Alright, so these are sweet pepper. Sweet pepper goes in. Hot pepper, just a small piece, because I think the curry already got hot pepper in it, so I don't want it to be too hot. So I'm going to put a small piece of pepper until I can check how hot the curry is, because the curry got hot, and it says hot curry. So I don't want to put too much pepper because I don't want it to be over hot. So also got some more sweet pepper. Diced the rest of sweet pepper. And a nice flavor. Very sweet. When I bought the sweet pepper, I pay like $1.25 for all kind of sweet pepper. Like this piece of the yellow one, this piece of that one. You know, they cut it together, so it's a good price. So now you get the whole thing, because I don't even think the fridge and go back and use it because of what, you know. So I'm dicing all of that. And then the season I have, I throw it out. So now I have to go back to the bad season. Just a little bit of this. Because I can't use anything and leave it open around here. It gets thrown out because of the situation. The people you live with, that's not very, you know, trustworthy. So that is in there. I'm gonna add the Jamaican curry. Open it. Jamaican curry. The right curry. I got salt in it too, and I got pepper in it. So when you're using this curry, you can just use it by itself. And the chicken, if you want a little bit more salt, you could add up a little bit more salt in here, but not too much, because I don't want it to be salty when I use a curry. Curry is good for you. Curry cure cancer and different things. So as you can see, I put everything in there. I don't want to get my nail curry all up, so I'm gonna have to get something to stir this up, because I do not want to get my nail curry up. Do not want to get my nail yellow and curry inside. Looking, can't get it out. I have to soak my hand in bleach. I don't want that. gonna have to use a big spoon and stir it. So now I'm gonna correct my nail. So I'm gonna use this big spoon. And stir it over and over, like to get the season through it. So I don't want to use my hands. I'm afraid the curry get inside of my nail and make it looks kind of yellow. And sometimes that happens. And then when you go outside the nail, people think you got crap in the nail or some nasty stuff in the nail. Okay, it looks stainy when you're cooking. Right, so this is in here. I use a little bit more curry. I can taste it. Taste it. It's gonna be a good one. Before I put a salt in it before, and it's just good. I put any more with this salt in. It's good. Right now it's good. Put a little bit more curry. Because a lot of people making curry chicken, they don't know how to make curry chicken the real Jamaican original way. They don't make it like that anymore. And that's what makes it so sad that they don't anymore. So at this time it looks like this. Like a piece of hot pepper. I can taste it. It tastes like a cook already, but it's not cooked yet. Just stir it. Don't want my nails to get yellow. You guys. And it's ready. It's ready to go in the oil now. So now it's ready to go in the oil and cook. This is how you make curry chicken. You season, the oil is hot on the fire. So what I'm going to do, because the oil is hot, I really want you to see it before, what it looks like. I don't know how to get this camera back and forth the other way. You guys. Hold on, I'm doing something wrong here.